Never give up. Every English learner should watch this story at least once. Ravi lived in a small village, and his family was very poor. His father worked as a laborer and could barely support the family. Ravi dreamed of becoming successful and changing his family's life. However, the villagers often made fun of him. They said that poor people could not dream big. One day, Ravi decided to go to the city and find a job. He had only 100 rupees in his pocket. He arrived in the city with both hope and fear. For many days, he could not find any job. Everywhere he faced disappointment. Gradually, he ran out of money. One night, he had to sleep hungry. He sat beside the road and started crying. He felt that maybe the villagers were right. He decided to return home. Just then, he noticed an old man carrying a heavy load. Ravi immediately went to help him. The old man was impressed by Ravi's kindness. He asked Ravi about his life and struggles. Ravi shared everything with tears in his eyes. The old man smiled and said, "Never give up." He invited Ravi to visit his office the next day. Ravi could hardly believe his ears. The next morning, he reached the given address. To his surprise, the old man was the owner of a large company. The owner offered Ravi a job. Ravi promised himself that he would work harder than ever before. He arrived early and left late every day. His dedication impressed everyone around him. Months turned into years, and Ravi kept growing. He received promotions and greater responsibilities. Life finally seemed to be changing. Then one day, a crisis hit the company. The company suffered huge losses. Many employees resigned because they lost hope. People believed the company would soon close forever. But Ravi remembered the old man's words. He refused to give up. He worked day and night to save the company. He introduced new ideas and smart strategies. Slowly, the company started recovering. The owner trusted Ravi more than anyone else. A few years later, the owner retired. He handed over the entire company to Ravi. The poor village boy had become a successful businessman. Ravi returned to his village after many years. The same people who once mocked him now respected him. Ravi did not take revenge on anyone. Instead, he decided to help others. He built a school for village children. He helped poor families with education and support. One day, a young boy asked him the secret of success. Ravi smiled and looked at the sky. He said, "Success comes to those who never stop trying." The crowd applauded with great admiration. That day, Ravi proved that courage is stronger than circumstances. If you never give up, one day success will surely find you. Moral of the story: dream big, work hard, and never give up.